So we're on problem set 6, and we're going to do problems 8 and 9 in this video. So here's problem number 8. I need to do a U substitution. Maybe you'll notice what's different about this one is that it is plus, not multiplied together. And so that's key because it means that I'm allowed to break this into two separate integrals. Sine of 2x dx plus the integral of cosine. Alright, so because it's plus or minus, I can break into two separate integrals. And then I say, okay, well, both of them actually, I'm going to use u is 2x, du is 2. I'm going to do that for both of these because they both have the same inside. So I'm going to put a 2 inside of both of them, which means I'm going to put a 1/2 outside of each one of them. If I do the integral for this one, actually no, let's just rewrite it. 1/2 integral sine of u du plus 1/2 integral cosine u du. As I do this, it's definitely possible when I break them apart like this to make my u and du different for one integral than the other. In this case, they both end up being the same, but I could have made them different if I needed to. If I do that, then a lot of times I'll use the letter v. So this one could be u du and the other one v and dv, just to show that they're different. Alright, so for this one, we'll do the integral of sine. The integral of sine is negative cosine. The integral of cosine is sine. Tack on my plus c. Alright, so I end up with negative 1/2 cosine of my u was 2x plus 1/2 sine 2x plus c. Look at my answer choices. Does that match up to anything? It looks just like answer choice B. Number 9. For this one, they don't tell me use like on one of the previous ones, but I'll look at and see. Well, usually my u is going to be the denominator. Well, if I let the denominator be my u, that would mean my du would be 2x. Well, I have an x up in my numerator, so all I need to do is put a 2 there and a 1/2 out front. Cancel the 2 out. And I can make my u substitution. 1/2 integral of 1 over u du, which of course is the same thing as 1/2 integral of u to the negative 1 du. If you try using your power rule, you'll quickly find out that that fails because you'll end up trying to divide by 0, and that's because the integral of u to the negative 1 is our special case of our power rule, and that the power rule doesn't work, and it's the natural log. So this is 1/2 natural log of u plus c, which is 1/2 natural log of, our u was x squared plus 4. And if I look at my answer choices, that matches up to answer choice C. You'll see they used the absolute value signs. Oh, and they use absolute value signs because I wrote my problem down wrong. My apologies. That right there was supposed to be a negative. It didn't change anything because when I did my du, I just went 0. But that was supposed to be a negative. And so since that could be negative, and of course I can't find the natural log of a negative number, we'll put the absolute value signs there to show that, hey, make sure you don't take the natural log of any negative numbers, but there you go. Still Optore C. Sorry about that.